Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove any follower from your Threads account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Threads application on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account using your Instagram if you haven't done so already. After logging in, if you wish to remove any follower from your account, just tap on the account icon at the bottom right corner, which will now take you into your account page. From your account page, underneath your username and your bio, you will see your follower count. Go ahead and tap on this. And now, from this page, make sure that you are within the followers tab. This will now show you all of the followers that are following you on Threads. If you wish to remove anyone as your follower, just tap on their profile. And now, tap on the three dots at the top right corner. You will now see the remove follower option. Go ahead and tap on this, and you will now be asked whether you are sure that you want to remove them as your follower. Tap on the remove button once again, and after your confirmation, this person will be removed as your follower on your Threads account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to remove any follower from your Threads account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.